Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to your English lesson for today. Now, in today's lesson, before we begin, I would like to remind you that at the end of the lesson, you will need to pause the video and go back to the PowerPoint. You can play some fun games or you can complete the assessment at the end of the lesson so that I can see how much you understood from what you learned today. Now, let's get started. In today's lesson, you are going to be learning about facts about water. So, in today's lesson, we are learning about water. These are your key vocabulary. I want you to say them with me, please. Water, rain, clouds, lakes, rivers, and animals. Amazing! Now we are going to say them again. Water, rain, clouds, lakes, rivers, and animals. Amazing work! Now let's get started with the topic for today, which is water. Now, what is water? I would like you all to pause the video and go and get yourself a glass of water. And you are going to look at it for me. Now, if you look at the water, what can you tell me about it? Amazing, yes, it has no color. I can see straight through it. It has no color. Now I want you to open your bottle, or if you have a glass with you, I want you to smell the water. Now, can you smell anything? No, I can't either, because it has no smell. Now, I want you to taste your water. So take a sip. Amazing. Now, does it taste like anything? No, because it has no taste. So, what is water? It has no color, it has no smell, and it has no taste. Amazing work. Now, where can we get water from? Did you know that 97% of the water on the Earth's surface is in the world's ocean? Now that's amazing. So most of the water in the world is in the ocean. But we can't drink the water in the ocean because that's right, it's too salty. Now that means that we can only drink 3% of the water that is on the earth. Now this is the ocean. So the ocean makes up 97% of the water that we have on earth. That means that it makes up most of the water that we get on earth. Now let's take a look at the video. Okay, so we're going to look at the image and we're going to see these are waves of the ocean. Amazing work. Now the other 3% can be found here. You can find it in the rain. Good job. So whenever it rains, we get water. From the clouds, because our clouds are made up of water, and when they turn gray, that's right, it starts to rain. We can get water from polar ice caps, from rivers, and from lakes. Now I'm going to show you a few pictures of all of these types of water. So this is the rain. These are the clouds. This is a polar ice cap. So can you see the ice? It's starting to melt and it falls into the water. Now all of this ice is just water that is hard. This is a river. So this is another place we can get water. And this is a lake. How beautiful does it look? This is another place we can get water. Now, why do you think we need water? That's right, it carries the nutrients and waste in the body. So, it keeps us strong and healthy. And if we have anything bad in our body, it washes it out. It is also used to cool the body, especially when we do any physical activity. So when you do PE, or if you run outside, or if you are playing with your friends, you will need water to keep yourself cool and hydrated. Now don't forget, you need to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. That is the healthy amount of water to drink. And remember, you need to stay strong and healthy. So please don't forget to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every single day. Now, what else do we use water for? Amazing! Yes, we use it to keep our houses and our communities clean. So we use the water to wash away all the dirt. Just like how we wash away the dirt from our hands when we wash them, especially if we go outside. Because remember, we need to keep ourselves clean so that we don't get sick. Now, animals and plants also need water to survive. They need it to drink and they need it to have a bath. Now, the plants need water so that they can grow big and strong. Now, don't forget, learners, you can watch any of these YouTube videos to understand water a little more. And remember that all of the videos are only used for educational purposes. Now, I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I will see you in the next one, inshallah. And don't forget, you will need to complete the assessment so that I can see how much you understood from today's lesson. Now, assalamu alaikum.